My video guide is about getting rid of the new adware that is currently attacking many Mac computers. This adware is called StackMist. I don't really know why it is called like that, but I know for sure that this specific adware type application attacks Mac computers only. This StackMist adware is from the adload family. Once installed, it starts displaying the huge portion of pretty intrusive advertisements that are not associated with the sites that you actually visit. If you have found this StackMist adware type program to be the part of your Mac computer, you should definitely get rid of it, because on one hand your Mac will be functioning in a very slow manner because of this adware. On the other hand, you may be receiving the huge portion of intrusive pop-up ads that are not related to the sites that you visit. These ads may also point you to many shady and truly deceptive pages in the internet. To remove this StackMist manually, go to your Finder, check your applications. If you find this StackMist on the list, you right-click on it and move it to the trash. Of course, if you find anything else suspicious, get rid of it too. I also recommend that you additionally examine your computer with the help of reliable antivirus such as Combo Cleaner. You may get it on the page combocleaner.com. Download Combo Cleaner through this green download button, install the program, and begin researching the system with its help. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner, this is the way it looks like. By the way, Combo Cleaner is available both for Mac and for Windows computers. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode. So click on Start Combo Scan button. First of all, the program should update its anti-malware database for proper detection and removal of any malware. Even in the trial mode, there are certain free features. They are Disk Cleaner, Big Files, and Duplicates. Even these three free features will help you to essentially improve the performance and the general speed of your computer. Combo Cleaner is powerful enough to detect and delete threats like adware, browser hijackers, ransomware, all sorts of unwanted pop-ups, browser redirections, online scam, and other threats. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were found. You will be able to know their locations, but I recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution to keep your computer free of any other threats.